Leetcode Biweekly Context 163. Q1. Minimum sensors to cover a grid. To cover a grid of n by m, say take this as an example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A sensor with a K means put the center in the center and K on each side. This sensor gonna cover 1 plus K times 2 equals to 3. So in this case, one sensor gonna cover this area for both columns and rows. So for whatever left, there gonna be an extra one. Same here. This one gonna be an extra one. Sorry, it's here. And this one gonna be an extra one.